Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking down what will be bounced. Save a copy and pick the exact tracks. Click each track and solo or mute to isolate material. This prevents accidental audio in the bounce. Once done, set the cycle region to cover the full section you want exported and confirm tempo, and key so any time stretching or pitch shifts render predictably. These steps guarantee that what you hear in the mix is what will be printed to the final file. Next, focus on the mix. You should refine levels, panning, and automation so dynamic changes print correctly. Make sure the master bus doesn't clip. Insert a limiter and pull down gain if peaks exceed 0 dBFS. Once your sends and returns are set, decide which effects must be printed versus left as stems, because routed sends will be included in the bounce. Also render any CPU-heavy plugins as real audio if the session struggles. This reduces dropouts during the export process. To finish, choose File, Bounce to Disk, and select Format, Sample Rate, and Bit Depth that match your delivery spec. Click Bounce and monitor audio. If you hear clicks or dropouts, cancel and try offline bounce or increase buffer size. If export still fails, freeze or bounce individual tracks to audio to save CPU, disable heavy plugins temporarily, and retry. Once the file exports cleanly, audition it in a player outside Garageband to confirm levels and metadata before distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.